Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo2 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code, so this is the fastest way to do that, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the device information where we can check both IMEI numbers and also a serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. If for some reason the secret code won't work, then we can enter the settings. So let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to tap on the status here, and as you can see we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and we've got a serial number also. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your REALME GT Neo2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.